Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Watch Dogs game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-game language within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Watch Dogs on your device, and after you are taken into the main menu, if you wish to change the language, then if you haven't already played the game, then your first option will be the new game. And if you don't have the Bad Blood expansion, then this option will probably not be available for you. So you will need to look for the options menu within the homepage, as the in-game option while you are playing doesn't have the feature available to change your language. Once you go into options, just navigate to audio and language, and now you will see both the spoken and written language settings. Use the left and the right arrows within the written language menu to cycle through the various different languages that are available. Once you have found your desired language, you can click on the apply option at the bottom right corner. This will then apply your language right away. You can now go back into the main menu to continue playing your game with your chosen in-game language. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize the in-game language on the Watch Dogs game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.